Hey guys, Ali from Alta coming to you beautiful Tokerville, Utah. Hey, it's a beautiful Sunday. Today is the 17th of October. Just gorgeous weather. We just finished up Red Bull Rampage, but we have something really cool to show you. Come with me. What's up, Sanchez? Hey man. Yeah. We got Sanchez, the man here. Sanchez is one of our sponsored athletes, and we literally built him a rack and named it after him. This is part of our Alta Superior product line, our first model release called the Sanchez 6. It is highly engineered and made for a guy like this because he does some special stuff with his vehicle. As you can see, he's got a Raptor right there. And if you've been following us, we jumped this Raptor over a dune with bikes on, and they survived. So that was a good sign. I call that the final test. Stamp it, start building it. Yeah. Going over the rack, you can see it's kind of similar to what it looks like. We're going to start with the hitch piece. We went straight to a XL hitch system with our internal stabilizer. And little note on the internal stabilizer, we build not integrated systems, so when it comes time for upgrading or changing the stabilization system, you can easily change that. That's why we have pieces all bolt on together here. You come up to here, it's basically the same hitch. We got this puppy powder coated in desert sand, which is gorgeous. Going to the low bar, we got your glow yellow that will glow with black light. The biggest engineering feat here are these gusseting systems. You may think these are just like some C channels going straight down. They're not. These are bench heat, highly engineered, going to a existing holes, so it allows for future upgradability of the existing racks that are currently outside to this Alta Superior model. As we go up, you still have your latch system. Again, another beautiful desert sand. Our top bar may look the same, but it's not. We got threading system built into these top bars, and you can also see some of these hangers. We call these the tool hangers, which will be available for sale individually. But what you see here is what comes with this package. You're getting a much stiffer rack. The rack comes with the retractable straps. The rack will come with this gusseting system and gives you this full package. It is really made for your off-roaders. I'm gonna say this is gonna be a 6 e-bike carrier because of the stiffness, and we got some secret for you. Check this out. Here on mine, you can see demonstrated. These straps will come with each rack, made in USA. And as you can see the gap between the tire and the basket itself. As you pull down on the bike, you can notice it does not change the location. Zero pressure on those baskets. All forces direct on the top bar, going into the gusset, back into the receiver, which is just an engineering beautification, as I call it. But we wanted to talk to Sanchez about this rack so much. He's been riding this since when? Like, I think I dropped it off at
maybe almost a year now.
Almost a year now. Yeah. And what I told him is, try to break it, but not really like,
hey, I did my
best. Know, don't take a sledgehammer to it, but drive like you do, you know, and like don't hold back. And he kind of just went at it.
So.
Yeah. So tell us more about how you felt, like as far as, because you've ran both racks multiple times. We have the Alta 6 GPR behind us. Fully loaded, which is a fully capable rack, which will be upgradable to the Sanchez 6 or the Superior system, because
so you could buy the top piece.
Yeah.
And just fold it right
so
on.
One of the things, thanks for pointing that out, because this top piece is 6 inches wider as well, and so is the bottom bar. So, you know, I think there's an Alta Ocho here, potentially. You know, we got possibility to put 8 bikes on here, and the weight is irrelevant because our gusseting system, the way we design our hitch system and our stabilization, is just going to take care of it.
Yeah, as you were saying, I was trying all year to break that rack. Everything possible to not care. And it still didn't break.
Yeah.
So, yeah, with a design like this, I would say for the normal, you know, weekend warrior or whatever.
Especially in southern Utah, right? We got
Especially here.
mad
Exactly.
washboard rows.
Oh, yeah.
High vibration frequency, resonance frequency, just making this thing wave, right?
Yeah.
These racks dance at about 50 miles an hour on these washboard rows, and that's where you're going to see the damage. From my background in military design and aerospace, that's what we saw when we were building products. And that's what I wanted him to test, because I knew he was going to do 60 miles an hour over those washboard rows, because that's when you smooth out. But at the same time, that force is being transferred into the rack, and this rack has proven time and time again that it's going to withstand some of the worst conditions here in Utah. And you know, technically I haven't been anywhere else that I have seen roads like this, especially when the weather is bad and when it's raining. Do you agree?
Agreed.
Yeah, you get a lifetime warranty. You get an American built product built here right in Utah with this multicolor system. We were just so proud to bring able to build this here in the US and provide jobs and a product that is just superior to anything out there. And here is a personal challenge to every other rack company. Hey, give it to Sanchez if you truly want to see how your product compares to what we do and how it performs. Here's the man right here.
Let's go.
And this is Ali from Altarex, Sanchez Hubbard, the man, one of my good friends, and we're gonna have a long partnership here together, coming to you from Tokerville, Utah, October 2021. We just finished Red Bull Rampage. What an awesome weekend.
Yeah,
Congratulations, Brandon Semenek, for taking first place. You guys have an awesome day, y'all.
Respect.